In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can copy trade using HF markets. So this requires that you already open an account. If you don't know how to open your account, I'll leave a link to a video in the description sharing with you how you can do that. Now ensure you're on the traders area, right? And then you scroll down to HF copy and then select follow a strategy. Now this is assuming that your account is activated and funded. So here you see the most followed strategies. So you can filter for 6 months, 1 year, and even 2 years. However, different strategy have different minimum requirements. So let's select TD Fund C2. So here you'll see that the minimum deposit to follow this trader is $1,000. And you get an overview of what their performance is like over time, right? So I'm going to be stepping back. Now let's scroll down to all strategies. Here you have different filter options that you can use to filter different traders. So let's say you have only 100 and the max 100. You can choose performance fees. You can choose risk score. I'm just going to keep the defaults and select save changes. Now all you need to do to follow any of these traders is just select follow, as well as you can click here at the top of their profiles to see more detail on the performance of their strategy and how they are trading. So if you wanted to follow this trader, you would need to ensure that you have a minimum of $100 and then you simply select follow. So here it's asking me. So that's basically it, right? So once you have your money available, you select follow and you're all good. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.